So I just had a baby, which means I'm busy and sleep deprived. And I can't even rub two brain cells together, much less write a pattern for you. So I got some help from AI. Just kidding. Yeah, AI knitting and crochet patterns, evil. But I actually used AI for good, you guys. I made a stripe visualizer for you to play around with. And if you're planning a blanket or even like a scarf or a sweater, this is a free tool available on my website. And you can use it to try out different colors next to each other and just kind of see how some colors that you're thinking about might look before you go buy your yarn. And it's actually really fun to play around with, so let me show you how it works. So now if you go to my website, thesnugglery.net, I have this little tab up here that says Tools and Guides. And if you click on it and click on Tools, you'll find my little stripe visualizer. So you can go click on that post and scroll on down. This is the tool that AI helped me make, and it's set to 3 stripes by default, but here's how you can change that. So you have your little stripes here, and there's a handy trash can to delete stripes, a little handy copy button to copy stripes. And when I made it, I kind of thought of one stripe as like one pass back and forth in crochet, or 2 rows, right side, wrong side with knitting. So that's just something to consider when you're checking out your proportions. So if you want to add like more passes of one color, you can just copy. You can move stripes up and down. And I kind of organized the colors into like pastels, jewel tones, or like the brights, and muted colors that are more like dusty. But you're not just stuck with those. There's a little customize button here where you can select a color from the whole spectrum and mix it in with the other ones, just like that, and then you get a custom color. If you get a little too crazy, you can always just hit reset and it'll go back to that little default that we started with. And then another thing that's fun is you can just hit the surprise me button and it will randomly generate colors together. So you might see some combos that you like that you didn't think of before. Then if you find a combo that you really like, you can click save or print, and it will pull up a little swatch of the colors that you put together. And you can click print and print it out to bring to the craft store, or you can save via like print to PDF and just save it as a file on your phone. And you can pull that up when you go to the craft store and are checking out yarns. So I'll leave a link to this tool below the video. Feel free to check it out and play around with it and see what colors that you might want to use in your next project that you think look good together. And I'll hopefully be back soon with more tutorials and patterns and things where I actually have my hands on some yarn for you. So thanks for sticking around. Bye!